helps strengthen hair. This serum contains ingredients that support root strength, so over time your hair can feel less brittle and break less easily. Easy roll-on application. The roll-on design makes it simple to apply directly on your scalp without mess or waste, ideal for quick mornings. Lightweight and non-greasy. Unlike heavy oils, this serum doesn't make your hair feel oily or weighed down. You can use it even before heading out. Feels soothing on scalp. Many users feel a cool, calming sensation when they apply it, which can be nice if your scalp feels sensitive or irritated. Works well with routine. You can pair it with your shampoo and conditioner easily. It doesn't interfere with styling products or make hair stiff. Results take time. Hair growth takes patience. Don't expect dramatic changes in just a week. Most people see improvement after consistent use for several weeks. Slight stickiness initially. Right after applying, it can feel a little sticky until it fully absorbs. Not a deal breaker, but noticeable at first. Not a miracle for severe hair loss. If someone has major thinning or advanced hair loss, this alone might not be enough. It's better as a supportive product.
Top comments by users. Listen, dear viewer. Check these things before accepting the parcel.